Hello guys and welcome to Define Agile YouTube channel. My name is Anatoly and in this channel we're talking everything Agile, tools, and today we're talking about JIRA. And in this tutorial I will show you how do you export a single issue from JIRA to either XML or doc. And I'm going to show you that. It's very easy, very quick, so please stay tuned. Before we talk about that, I have two things I want to offer you. If you want to learn JIRA from basic to advanced really quickly in about 1 day, learn things like permissions and groups and estimations, all this kind of things, please go to get my help section description for this video and get my course. It's very short and it's very affordable and you will be able to learn JIRA very fast. Second thing is, if you are completely stuck and need somebody to help you out, me or somebody from my team happy to help you out, so please go to get my help sections and there's a calendar link. You can get yourself into our calendars and we'll schedule a session with you one-on-one, guide you through any issue you have. So since this is out of the way, let's talk how do we export any issue. We have a backlog here. It's a Scrum project, but it doesn't matter. It can be a Kanban project, any other project. Just click on the issue itself. And you don't even have to go far. You click on 3 dots. And then you click either print if you want to see how it will look like. Let's say you're not sure, you want to print and see how it looks like. You can click on print. So this is what you would get. You would get your backlog, you'll get your project, your components, everything here, even attachments. If you print it, you can print with attachments. There are 2 more ways to export this issue. Let's look at them. So we have export to XML and export to Word. If you export to Word, it will look similarly to what print is, so I'm not going to do that. If you export to XML, it will look more like a code that you can sort of import into some other tools. So it might be useful if you have Asana or some other tools. I'm not sure if they support XML or not, but they should, because that's a very standard language of importing, exporting. So let's click on export to XML. And again, this is how it will look like. Bunch of code. You can copy and paste and save this to the file. And if one of your other tools accepts this format, XML, then you'll be able to just send it. And then it will appear there. So you can import and export. Let's go back to the view we had before. One thing that you might be thinking, how would I export that to Excel? And yeah, I looked at that as well. And there's no direct way to export this to Excel. Unfortunately, there are plugins you can use. So if you Google how to export issue to Excel, you'll get some plugins that can do that, add-ons, and you'll be able to do this. But by default, JIRA allows you to export to XML and export to Word or print it. But this is a way how you can do it with a single issue. I have a video how you can bulk export to CSV. If you want to check it out, we'll put the link in the description as well, how to export to CSV. Apart from that, that should be all good. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments down below. If you like this video, if you think it brought you value, please like and subscribe, because this is how we spread it to more and more people. I appreciate you very much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.